Great. Good morning. Excuse me. I'm Bobby Moddrell, and this is Corey Wright. We're both from Custodial Services. We'd like to share a few things with you today about how we try to contribute to the sustainability on campus. Give you a little background on what area of campus we serve. We take care of mainly academic and research buildings and libraries and museums. There are 110 buildings we maintain daily that represent 12.5 million square feet. We do this with 300 custodians and about 27 crews working across campus, unlocking, locking, and cleaning the buildings each day. In 2001, we went to a program called OS1, which is a sustainability process and standardization process, and it's based on basically these 7 tenets here. The first of which is cleaning the building for health. And the main ways we deal with that sort of thing is in looking at things like indoor air quality. The EPA determined that about 90% of our time is spent indoors, so indoor air quality is a really important thing for us to look at. So we've used canister vacuums that clean about 99.9% of the lung-damaging particles they separate from the air. And then we also do quite a bit of work on pathogenic microorganisms and cleaning the restrooms and the contact points, especially during the influenza season and that sort of thing. The second item is treating cleaning workers as first-class citizens. Through standardization, we're able to get workload parity across campus, which means that the individuals have the same amount of work to do for 300 of them all the way across campus, and then also that we should expect the same results as well. The next one is simplify, and that has to do again with standardization and expectation of similar results across campus. And then going beyond compliance on safety regulations, try to create a safe environment for our employees and for the visitors and other folks on campus, clients on campus, by reducing chemical usage and that sort of thing. Then on minimizing environmental harm, that's really our sustainability piece and has a lot to do with how we locate materials off campus through the recycling program, and then how we also deal with recycling and those sort of issues. And then the last one is exceeding expectations, and with 40,000 square feet of space cleaned by each person daily, our expectations are still high, so the standardization program kind of keeps that in place.
Since the implementation of the OS1 program, we've actually decreased. We've decreased our chemical usage by 85%, a little over 200 chemicals down to 25. The company that we use, it's Portion Pack, and as you can see here in the pictures, we have chemical concentrates instead of ready-made bottles. And these chemical concentrates dissolve easily into reusable containers. Using these packs helps us to eliminate excessive packaging and also helps reduce in the energy costs used in transportation. In the end, it results in a safer, more accurate use of the chemical. And we use 4 chemicals on a daily basis, and of those 4, 3 are Green Seal certified, and our 4th is a daily use germicidal that helps reduce pathogenic microorganisms. We've also implemented a 2-sided mop bucket system, and this has helped us to reduce our annual water usage by 70%. It helps to keep, the 2 sides help to keep the cleaning solution and contaminated water separate, which reduces, it ensures the longevity of the solution and also reduces the need to change the solution often. In addition, the microfiber mops that we use put down less water than a traditional string mop, and it also absorbs up to 6 times its own weight and reduces bacteria by 96%. And as you can see here, you can see the amount of water we saved before and how much, or the amount of water we were using before with the traditional mop system and how much we are saving in the reduction by using a traditional, or our 2-sided mop system. Our estimated water usage has gone from a total of 863,000 gallons to about 262,000. And to put that in perspective, the difference saved is enough to fill an Olympic-sized pool. Lastly, our commitment to sustainability is reflected in the choice of paper and plastic products that we use on campus. Our hand towels contain 40% of post-consumer content, and our hand towels and toilet paper are 100% recycled fiber. And with that too, with our plastic products, our new liners are made from linear low-density polyethylene and meet the EPA's comprehensive procurement guidelines, which means it's made from 100% post-consumer recycled resin. And putting in perspective the amount of waste we contributed before and the amount we're contributing now with the new liners, we've actually reduced it by 36%, the amount of waste that we're contributing to the landfills. And that's an equivalent of 20 mid-sized cars. And last, with that, we also encourage our workers to tip baskets instead of changing out the liners. So if the contents are, say, not food related or water or liquid, we encourage them to tip the contents as opposed to changing out the liner, which reduces the unnecessary need of throwing away liners that don't have that much in it.
I'd also like to invite everyone to contact us at these numbers. We do quite a bit of benchmarking throughout the year with other institutions, and also we'll provide special sessions for anyone. We seem a little bit rushed. This is a 6-hour class we usually give to all new employees, and trying to do it in 7 minutes is a little rushed. But do contact us and let us know anything. If you would like to come and attend one of those, we'd certainly welcome you. Thank you.